Hello viewers, my name is Adnan and I am basically from Gango. Gango is a small town in UP, district Saharanpur. And in this video, I am going to take help from my one of his students. Yeah, please do watch our video till end. Hello, Shweta, introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Shweta, and I'm also from Gango. And I am now currently I'm doing my BTech from Shobhit University, and I completed my 12th class from Sri Jagannath Saraswati Vidya Mandir Inter College. And uh, before 1 year, I joined this Opera Institute to improve my English skill. And now I am in front of you.
Okay, thank you very much, Shweta. Thank you, viewers. हम इस वीडियो में बेसिक कॉन्वर्सेशन करेंगे. I will ask Shweta a couple of questions, and to realize you and to motivate you that you can speak English like Shweta, as you have listened her interviews yourself. She has completed her education from a Hindi medium school, so not she does not belong to an English medium. Shweta, my first question to you: there are many students like you who do want to learn English, and they are from Hindi medium schools. So, what is your suggestion to them? Do you think that they can also learn English like you?
Definitely, sir. If they have the strong basics of grammar, and they can learn, but it is the game of confidence only. We don't lose confidence in any situation. They
Hmm.
can learn from anything. Uh, so
Yeah. Means they can also learn.
yes, sir.
So, do you also believe that a teacher also plays an important role to make students speak English?
Yes, sir.
Definitely. Yeah.
Definitely, sir.
Hmm.
A teacher plays a most important role in our student performance, and because he gives the guidance to the student. Although the student also be a hardworking, but the teacher gives the direction to the student.
Okay, like Sweta in Gango, there are other institutions like arts.
Yes, sir.
So, what is the different? Means, did you try? Did you ever try in another any other institute, or have you ever talked to a boy or a girl from any other institution?
Yes, sir. I talked to one of boy when I joined also the computer diploma course, and I asked something about that. What type of ways of your teacher
Mm.
teach you?
Mm.
And he told me that he's not hardworking. This is the main point that that a teacher want, that a student want in his or her teacher.
Mhm.
That is, but you in this institution, I found that you are very hardworking and you
Thank you.
sacrifice. You are very sacrifice. You gave many sacrifice for the students.
Thank you very much. Thank you for the compliments. Okay, and what other things that you find best we have other than other institutions in Gango? I mean, do you think that all the institutions or all the students do get classes of group discussion, or like I am shooting an interview with you?
Yes, sir.
So all these are facilities are available in other institutions or not?
I don't think that. I don't think, sir, they don't have this facility
Hmm.
because when I joined this center also,
Mhm.
there is also this facility was not available in this. But now you are as you are growing up,
Hmm.
and the facility is
Is the facilities are going,
yes,
yeah,
sir.
growing up, yeah, definitely. One last question, means you are speaking definitely good English, so has learning English given you some benefits?
Yes, sir. It's the biggest benefits as I'm using Instagram nowadays, and uh, I made a friend from Tamil Nadu. He only knows his mother language Tamil and
Mhm.
English only, and
Mhm.
English the common language between him and
And
between
you
him.
are.
Yes, sir.
Mhm.
Then I can make a conversation with him in English only.
Mm.
So when he asks, sometimes he asks me that how do you know a proper English?
Mm.
So I just smile and
Yeah,
remember you
yeah.
that this my
Thank you,
my
thank you.
sir's hard work only.
Yeah, that's very good. That's so sweet of you. You are giving so many compliments, and this type of compliment definitely motivates a teacher,
Yes,
and
sir.
he puts his more hard work. And definitely, guys, as you have listened from Sweta, so we are only an institution in Gango that are giving group discussion classes, interview classes, and definitely debate classes. So if you are willing to learn English in your near your future and you want to appear for an interview, please do contact us. And I am also a certified trainer of IELTS. I have also trained my students for IELTS and PT. Yeah, in like recent years, as Sweta has told you, sir, this facility was not available at the center before. It was because I have stopped teaching spoken classes. I had started teaching just PT and IELTS classes, and these are some results I have given in. Can you please show? Yeah, these are some results that I have given in previous year, and that's the reason I was not teaching English classes. Now I have started, or I think I'm going to, and I'm also giving online classes for students, and I have students from Delhi and from other states like Punjab. And they are just telling I am one of the best teachers. And yeah, definitely, if you are someone who is middle, like between, you are unable to speak English. You have learned English from another institution, but you can make sentences. You are not proper at speaking English. You do not sometimes words do not come in your mind. So for this type of videos, for this type of problems, we have group discussion classes. Do contact us. And Shweta, come back to you. Yeah, Shweta, let's talk about a little education. Like you have completed your 12th class from a Hindi medium school. Now in you are in Soviet University, which is one of the best universities of Congo.
Yeah.
So what is the difference between studying in a Hindi medium school or then definitely going in a English medium student, like English university? So did you find some difficulties in the beginning?
Yes, sir. It doesn't matter that you are from Hindi medium or English medium, but when you do your graduation or post graduation, etc., and you have to learn all the things, you have to study all the things in English. But when you have to face, then you have to face of the many problems because that a Hindi medium student doesn't know the English language properly. But when after joining this spoken center, I don't have to face. I didn't have to face a lot of problems because I know the English better than my classmates.
Okay, yeah, definitely. So means you have an additional benefit.
Yes, sir. This is the additional benefits of my academics.
Uh, yeah, means learning English has given you definitely an advantage,
Yes, sir.
and this
I can.
advantage means that you are better than your fellows in
Yes.
class. Uh,
I can give the. Now I can give the answer of my teacher's question confidently by now.
very good, very good. Right. Okay, one last question.
Yes, sir.
Do you also think that you like a student when you were in a Hindi medium school, and if you did not have learned English, like many students come at my center and say, sir हमें चीजों को रटना पड़ता है.
Yes,
So
sir.
do you agree that कि you do not need to mug up the things now? अब
Yes.
चीजों को आपको रटने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती.
Yes, sir. I don't need to like rectification like other students.
Mhm.
I just understand the things.
Mhm.
It doesn't matter that the language for me now.
आप कुछ लास्ट में मैसेज देना चाहते हैं विद्यार्थियों को, स्टूडेंट्स को, ये एक मैसेज देना चाहते हैं कि इंग्लिश, जैसे कि हमारी गंगों में एक भ्रम सा चला हुआ है कि 90 दिन में इंग्लिश बोलना सीखे. इज इट समथिंग कि 90 दिन में आपको इंग्लिश बोलना आ जाता है?
Uh, it can't be say that they will teach you English speaking in 90 days. You just have to do your hard work, and you can learn anything in means 1 or 2 months only is enough for you to learn English. And I want to say one thing that nothing is impossible in this world if you have your confidence and your
मोटिव एंड टारगेट डेस्टिनेशन
yes,
मींस
yes,
यू नो वेयर टू गो.
yes,
अगर आपको पता है कि जाना कहाँ है,
yes,
सो नथिंग इज इम्पॉसिबल.
nothing
यू
is
वांट टू से समथिंग.
yes, sir.
ओके गाइस, अगर आपको मतलब जिज्ञासा है, विलिंग है आपके अंदर सीखने की इंग्लिश, सो डेफिनेटली नथिंग इज इम्पॉसिबल. यू कैन लर्न इंग्लिश लेस देन 3 months. सो 3 months की कोई गारंटी नहीं है. मैनी स्टूडेंट्स कम एंड आस्क मी, सर कितने दिन में आप इंग्लिश सिखा दोगे? मैं उनको एक सीधा सा आंसर देता हूँ, भाई मैं आपको दवाई थोड़ा ही खिलाऊंगा। यू हैव टू पुट योर एफर्ट्स। ऐसा कुछ नहीं कि आप 90 दिन में परफेक्ट इंग्लिश बोलना सीख जाएंगे। जो आपको इस तरह की भ्रमित बातें बता रहे हैं वो खुद भी इंग्लिश बोलना नहीं जानते। थैंक यू, थैंक्स अलॉट। अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगी है, मैं एक छोटे से रिमोट एरिया से बिलोंग करता हूं, आप इस वीडियो को शेयर करेंगे तो बहुत सारे बच्चों का बेनिफिट हो जाएगा। थैंक यू, थैंक्स अलॉट।